Good morning students, we are back to our English class. Yes, and today's our topic is vowels and consonants. Yes, what are vowels and what are consonants? Do you all know how many letters are there in alphabets? We had done it in our previous class. There are 26 letters in alphabets. Out of which 5 letters? Which 5 letters? A, E, I, O, U. I repeat, out of the 26 letters, 5 letters, that is A, E, I, O, U, are called vowels. What are they called? Vowels. Yes. And the remaining 21 letters are called consonants. Yes, students? A, E, I, O, U, these 5 letters are called vowels and the remaining 21 letters are called consonants. Now, we will open our textbook and do our next exercise.
Now students, open your textbook Comprehensive Language Learning Series. Okay, in that open page number 2. In our previous English class, we had learned or done a small recall of alphabets. Yes, how many letters did we do? 26. And in that, what we had learned, capital letters as well as small letters, and you were given homework of filling these missing boxes of alphabets for capital letters and small letters. Yes, I hope you all are ready with your homework. Yes, now we will start with next topic, that is vowels and consonants. Okay, so let's read. English alphabet has 26 letters. That we all know that there are 26 letters in alphabets. Which are those letters? A, B, C, D up to Z. Okay, now 5 of them are called vowels. Out of 26 letters, 5 of letters are called vowels. What are they called? Vowels. What are they called? Vowels. Which are those 5 letters? A, E, I, O, U. Which are the 5 letters that are called vowels? A, E, I, O, U. What about the remaining letters? Remaining 21 are consonants. What are the remaining 21 letters called? Consonants. Yes? Now open your notebooks. In the previous class, you were given homework of writing A to Z in small letters as well as A to Z in capital letters. I hope you all have completed your homework. Yes? Now come to the new page. Give today's date, day, put the heading of the topic, vowels and consonants. Yes? In the next line, put the heading vowels. There are 5 letters in vowels. Which are those 5 letters? A, E, I, O and U. In the next line, give the heading consonants. There are 21 letters in consonants. Which are they? A comes in vowel. Then B. After B what comes is C. Then D. After D A comes, but it comes in vowels. Okay. Then F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay, students? I repeat, what are vowels? How many letters are there in vowels? There are 5 letters in vowels. Which are those 5 letters? A, E, I, O and U. Next comes is consonants. There are 21 letters in consonants. Which are those letters? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. Did you all understand, students? Yes? Now again come to your textbooks. Come to page number 2. After the topic, you are given a small exercise, that is, complete the following words by putting a vowel in the blanks. You are given some words, some blanks. You have to complete it by putting a vowel. So, first picture is of what, students? Yes? It's a boy. Now, what's the spelling of a boy? You are given B dash Y. What you are given? B dash Y. Yes? So, what will come in the blank? Out of A, E, I, O and U. There will come O. What will come in the blank? O. B, O, Y, boy. Yes, students? Now, the next one, you are given a picture of a cup. What is the picture given is? A cup. What is the spelling of a cup? C, U, P, cup. So, in the blank given, you will have to write U. C, U, P, cup. Yes? So, students, you will complete the next 3 blanks on your own. Yes, students? The next 3 blanks you will have to complete on your own. Okay? Now, students, close your textbook and open your notebooks. We had written vowels and consonants. Okay. Now, turn your page. As I have written, put the first question, circle the vowels. Yes? Put the question, circle the vowels. Yes? Now, which are those vowels, students? A, E, I, O and U. Yes? Put the question, circle the vowels. You have to write in the same way as I have written. After putting the question, put number 1, write pencil, pencil. Yes, first one, pencil, pencil. Next one, school, school. Yes, what is the next one? school, school. Next one, book, book. book, book. Are you all writing, students? Next one, lion, lion. lion. Next one, mango, mango. mango. Next one, banana, banana. banana. Next one, orange, orange. orange. Next one, sun, sun. Next one, chair, chair. chair. Next one, hut, hut. Students, have you all written all the 10 words? Yes? First put the question, circle the vowels, then you have to write 10 words. Now we will solve it. I'll show you first and second. In the same way you have to complete the remaining words. Okay? So first one is pencil, pencil. Now what you have to do here, you have to circle the vowels. Which are the vowels? A, E, I, O and U. So from the first word you have to find out vowels. First one is E, then is I. Yes, students? Did you all understand? Next one, school, school. Again you have to find vowels over here. Which are the vowels? O, O. Did you all understand? So in the same way you will do the remaining words. Now again come to the next page, new page. Put the question, circle the consonants. Now the question here is changing. First you were supposed to do circle the vowels. Now you are supposed to do circle the consonants. Which are the consonants? The remaining 21 letters other than vowels, that are A, E, I, O, U, the remaining ones are called consonants. Okay? Now over here also you have to first note down 10 words. Yes, starting from the first one, HAIR, hair. HAIR, hair. Next one, HOUSE, house. HOUSE, house. Next one, TEACHER, teacher. TEACHER, teacher. Next one, MOTHER, mother. MOTHER, mother. Next one, TIGER, tiger. TIGER, tiger. Next one, CLASS, class. CLASS, class. Next one, SUNDAY, Sunday. SUNDAY, Sunday. Next one, FATHER, father. FATHER, father. Next one, BOAT, boat. BOAT, boat. Next one, BALLON, balloon. BALLON, balloon. Have you all written the words, students? Now again over here, I'll show you first and second how you have to do, and the remaining you will have to do for your homework. Okay? What we have to do over here is circle the consonants. Which are the consonants? The letters other than vowels are called consonants. So first one, here we go. HAIR, hair. Which are the consonants? H and R. Yes, students? Next one, HOUSE, house. Now, which are the consonants over here? H and S. Did you all understand, students? Now, as I have shown over here for the consonants as well as over here for the vowels, in the same way you have to complete the remaining words. Okay, students? So, dear students, I hope that you all have understood about today's topic, that is vowels and consonants. So, go through the topic, complete your homework and be ready with your homework in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.